Hello, my dear teachers. After the introduction of 4 letters, merely in the class nursery and junior KG, let's take a break and revise. Welcome to the Teacher Empowerment and Career Development series. And I am Dr. Rajni Rao, your friend and coach. And in today's session, well, look at this picture. This picture speaks everything. We are reinforcing everything about letters A, B, C and D through all these creative activities. So you count the activities and I will start the activities. Number 1. Now match the letter with its picture. So you can create these activities where children will identify the letters, and now if you see, it's only A, B, C and D, and they will identify the pictures and now they will match. Number 2, you can have resources. Basically, this video is for you to prepare with the resources, and all these resources are handmade. So you can have some picture cards like this as well, small picture cards, and you can put an ice cream stick, make them stick puppets, and like this you can have the letter and the related pictures. So like this, for all the letters A, B, C and D, when you have these pictures, you can do many grouping, sorting and matching activities also through these letters. Now look at this chart. You have the letters A, B, C, D and the lowercase letter. Children will have to identify and then match. So what you can give when you give the letter cards, children can even stick this. They can remove them, stick and complete the activity. So after this, what we can do is revise uppercase and lowercase. So this is for junior KG, wherein they will identify the letter and match with it with the correct lowercase letters. It's very, very important. And now these are self-correcting puzzles. So if you see, we have pieces of puzzles, and why I say it is self-correcting puzzle is when the child, you can see here, when the child identify the color of this object. So when you join this puzzle together, you will get a pencil. Now color is the coding that we have here. So when you place, even if you follow the color coding and put this puzzle right, you will see the letter and one picture beginning with that sound. So like this, when we give, you can see the B letter, children will have a hint. So that's why it's called as self-correcting puzzle, which means you cannot go wrong at all. So you will have to get it right, and these puzzles are called as self-correcting puzzles. And now look at these cards. You have one picture or word and you have 2 letters. So you will have to match the correct beginning sound for the objects A to D. And similarly, vice versa, we have the letters. And please note, if it is only uppercase, then it is for class nursery, and if you have both the case, then you can use it. Or for junior KG, merely we would recommend you to use only the lowercase cards. So I've been showing these cards in all my videos, in all my tutorials. So junior KG, we will use only the lowercase letters. Nursery will have only the uppercase letters. So you have a letter and 2 objects. You will have to match the right word or the picture. So like this, you can revise it for all the 4 letters A, B, C and D. And here as well, you can see the picture here and the beginning sound. And let me randomly see. Yeah, you have a picture here and the 3 words. So you will have to choose it right. And again, please don't underestimate the power of these dotted cards. Children who need a little more help in drawing, give them these tracing cards and give them a wooden pencil, or you can give any writing tool which has no sharp edge. You can ask them to trace on this and they will understand and they will get a help and they can start drawing very, very easily. So you can have these amazing dotted cards. And now this is for missing letter activity. So we can give letter cards, and when you have these letter cards, you can do so many activities. Arrange letter in series, what comes before, what comes after, missing letter. So you can do all these activities. Here I am doing the missing letter activity. So after A, It's not only B, you can give them many other letters within A to D and ask the child to pick the right letter to fill the series. Now the series is correct, A, B, C and D. So have these letter cards which can help you a lot. And now look at this. This is the finding the odd one out. So one letter is odd in the series. This is for the visual discrimination. So use all these resources. Let children identify which one is odd and why. Let them also reason why this is odd. And now don't forget, very importantly, letter, sound and also the lower formation story. So you can have these flashcards and revise them, and more importantly, remember all our letters are characters. They are growing with children. So keep continuing the story, and finally, don't forget to thank this letter god Aaron and Anna. And in the story, you can say letter god is doing all these activities with Aaron and Anna to reinforce his 4 letters A to D. So my dear teachers, it's very important for you to get ready with the teaching resources. You can make them on your own. You can get it ready. Only with these materials we can achieve very good learning outcomes, especially in nursery and junior KG. Share this video with every teacher and every parent, and I will catch you in the next video.